So there are 5 domesticated species of hamsters. The first would be Syrian, which is the biggest. And then there are the Campbell's Russian dwarf hamsters, winter white Russian dwarf hamsters, Roborovsky dwarf hamsters, and the Chinese hamster, which is often confused for a dwarf, but it is not a dwarf hamster. This here is Dolce. And Dolce is a Campbell's Russian dwarf hamster. So the main differences would be the size. The Syrians are the biggest size they can get is around 7 inches. I've heard that they can be a little bit bigger. And then there's the Chinese, which are in between there. I can't remember, I don't know much about the Chinese hamsters. And the Chinese hamsters actually have a tiny little tail. They are a little bit different looking, so you definitely know if you have a Chinese hamster. The next would be the winter whites and the Campbells. They are generally around 2 to 3 inches big. A lot of people get the Campbells and the winter whites confused. And then there's the Roborovskys, which are 2 to 2.5 inches big. Roborovskys have little white eyebrows above their eyes, typically, and they're the smallest dwarf. So those are the 5 domesticated species.